y'all, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see from the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do 2 Afro puffs with the bang. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Alright y'all, so we're back. I'm going to be starting on already used hair. It's not freshly washed, but we're gonna just go ahead and start with that. I'm gonna take my wide tooth comb and I'm just gonna comb through my hair and make sure that there's no knots on both sides. So I'm just taking my comb and just combing through on both sides. Now that we have already finished combing through our hair, we're gonna go ahead and make a middle part with our rat tail comb. I went ahead and did the part off camera because I'm not good at using the phone and trying to do all that extra stuff. So all I did was I went off camera and I just split a nice little part from here all the way back to the back of my head, and I'll show you how that looks. Just a nice little even part. Once you do that, you're going to take elastics and really just tie your hair and get it out of the way. You want to just move it out of the way. So now that we have our hair out of the way, we're going to make our bang part, and then we're going to slick our hair down. But the reason why I moved the hair out of the way is because for me to make the bang, I'm going to be pretty much doing this, making it symmetrical on both sides. I'm going to take a piece from both sides. I don't know how to explain it, but I'm going to explain why I do it. Oh, and if you see this is just product from this is just some leftover product. If you do see it, it's not dandruff or anything. It's just some edge control, some leftover edge control from my last hairstyle. But honestly, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a part that's kind of like a roundish part, and that's that side. So now I'm gonna do it on the other side, and I'm gonna just make that same little shape, and boom. Okay, let's clean it up a little bit. My hair is definitely a little crusty and it's got some product in there, but luckily this hairstyle that I'm doing is not about to be a hairstyle that I'm gonna leave in for a long amount of time or a long period. I do that and I make it kind of even on both sides. Okay, boom, boom, bam. I'm just gonna twist it down because I'm not gonna use this section for right now. Okay, so now that this part is moved out the way, my little bang is moved out the way, I'm just gonna move it to the side because we're not gonna be using this side. We're gonna be focused on the left side. All right, y'all, for this part, I'm going to be using a spray bottle and some Styler gel to lay my hair. So I'm really just going really light with the water because one thing about it, you don't really want to, for me, I don't want to make it to where my hair is drenched and then I put gel on top of it. It just, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that to my hair. So what I end up doing is I just spray just kind of like a very light layer on the top. That's it. And then I go through with my brush. I'm using the little Dollar Tree brush, the hard bristle, And I'm just going through at the root and just kind of brushing through my hair. Oh, and we also want to make sure that we leave out our edges because we do not want to brush back our edges right now. That's not really something we want to brush. We just want to take those out. So leave out all of your baby hairs. Those will be last. We'll take care of those last. So once those are brushed out, now we can go back and brush. And I'm gonna spray some more in the back because I did not get the back like that. And we're really just spraying down. Like for me, I really just spray down kind of more so like on the base, because the goal isn't to drench the hair, it's just to get it manageable enough to go in the ponytail. So I don't want to do too much. And then even in here, we're just gonna brush up, brush everywhere. Okay, so now that I have my hair in that shape and it's brushed all around, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Mighty Eco Styler Gel, and I'm gonna get a good little clunk of it, and then I'm just gonna apply this at the base of the whole side of my head. So this whole side, I'm just gonna apply the Eco Styler all around the base because that's really the hair that I'm trying to get tamed, is the base. For this style, I could go through the whole thing and smooth it out, but it's kind of pointless for this style and this look. So I'm really just going through with the Eco Styler, making sure I'm getting it all around the base. And then going back behind with my purple brush, I'm just smoothing that through. And you guys can already see where my hair is just smoothing down all around. Okay. And once we have a good grip on our hair, I'm just gonna go behind with my long elastic and secure the hair tightly. In a bun. So that's how my hair looks right now. So I'm just gonna show you guys what the hair looks like now, a little bit more smoothed down. Like I said, we just worked with the base. It was just the base. We're not doing, you know, because this style does not require me to like slick my hair and like get it really tight. I'm not really looking for that. I'm just looking for just like a sleek look so that I can put my ponytails on there and it'll look so cute. But my hair is getting a little bit longer, I've noticed. Don't play with me. The same thing with this side, y'all. I'm gonna go through and make sure that it's combed out first. I'm gonna go through with my spray bottle and just spray the outside. Once I've sprayed the base, I'm gonna go through with my brush again. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start molding how I want it to go. I'm just molding how I want my hair to go. We're going to push the edges out the way because we don't want no edges getting pulled, snatched in the making of this hairstyle. So we're just gonna move those out the way, y'all. We're just gonna move those out the way. Spray here one more time. Taking the brush and just getting that hair in motion. So now that that's done, we're gonna go back in with the gel, take a good amount, and we're just gonna apply this again to the base, all around the base of this part. All around the base of this part. And taking our trusty brush and smoothing that bad boy out. Taking the brush, we're just gonna brush it. Okay, and once I got all my hair together, I'm just gonna go ahead and tie the knot around it. Okay, so now that we've got both of our puffs on the side, I'm gonna go ahead and take this puff and brush it out. I'm not gonna do too much because, like I said, this does not really matter. I'm just going to be taking the hair and braiding it down. Roll it into a little ball. Okay, brush it out. Braid it down. Now that I braided that down, I'm just gonna go ahead and make another bun, taking a bobby pin and sticking it in there. That's that. Okay, so both the ponies are on there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and unloose my bang, and we're gonna work on that. I'm just gonna brush through it. Gonna brush through it with my comb after I get all of the knots out. Ooh, this is so cute. Okay, I'm going to curl my hair by applying some of this product. Okay, so now that I have made this into like somewhat of a bang, I'm gonna do my edges with this 24-hour Ebin edge control, and I'm gonna be taking the edge control and swiping my edges with it, my comb, and brushing it into the hair.
Okay, y'all, so my hair is definitely, I'm gonna blow dry the front.
I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put this over the, I'm gonna put it over the bun. So, it's a drawstring ponytail, so I can literally just put it on like this, take the string and adjust it, so pull it, and then just wrap it around and tuck that baby in. And that's that side. And what I used for this ponytail is this Outre, it's this Outre Pretty Quick Pony Afro. It's the small size and it is the color 2. So I use this. When you come out the pack, it comes like this, and when you take it out the pack, it's kind of squished. We want to shake it, we want to shake the life into it. So you'll see me just shake, 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 really shake some life into it. Pick at it and just really shake it. Shake it, 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 shake it. Wrapping it around my little pony, securing the comb, getting the string, pulling the string to secure it, and then just wrapping this around. And once you do that, you've got your bangs. This is what the style is looking like. And I'm gonna wrap my hair, and then after I wrap it, I'm gonna blow dry. All right, guys, so after blow drying, all right, y'all, so this is the finished look. After I went ahead and blow dried the bang, put the bobby pin in to kind of shorten it. I also went ahead and put some clips in to really bring it out and just make it pop a little bit. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So yes, y'all, that's the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you leave a comment and like this video and hit the notification bell so you guys can know when I post another video. Until next time, guys, bye.